Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the references on Adobe Firefly text to image option. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website and we have to open our account. And after opening the account, we need to choose the option text to image. And after going that option, as you can see, I have generated these images. Now, if you want to change the reference, you can also do that. You have to go to the composition section. And here you will be able to see the different types of references. For example, I'm going to use this reference. If you click on this reference and you will click on the generate, and as you can see, you will get a different type of result. So we have to wait for a few seconds and let's see what we are getting. So as you can see, after choosing this reference, we have got this. If you are going to change the reference, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on this. And if you want to increase the strength, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to increase the strength. And let's click on the generate again. And let's see what we are going to see. And we have to wait for a few seconds. It will generate the images again. So as you can see now, the images are here. So in this way you can change the reference, and in this way you can increase the strength of your images on the Adobe Firefly. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can change the reference and how you can increase the strength. So see you guys in the next video.